These blueberry muffins comes together in a very short amount of time. I mean, you don't need no mixer, you don't need no food processor. It all comes together very easily, but delicious, fluffy and bursting with juicy blueberries. Hello everyone, welcome back to Omayom's Kitchen, and I'll be sharing with you this recipe. For these muffins, you're going to be needing some sourdough discard, okay? These are not active sourdough starter, they're just discard that have been sitting in my fridge. If you don't have sourdough discard, you may use plain yogurt, but disclaimer, that it will not be my recipe, okay? Next, I added some melted butter, and you're going to whisk the butter and the sourdough discard together. I came in with 2 small eggs. You're going to add that in. You're going to add some vanilla extract into the mix as well, and just going to mix it together. Do not worry, I'm going to leave the full list of ingredients in the description box below, okay? Next, I started on my dry ingredients. I measured out my all-purpose flour. To that, I added some granulated sugar. I came in with some baking powder. I also came in with equal amount of baking soda. You're going to mix that together, and a little bit of salt as well was added into the mix. Sorry, my camera didn't catch me adding in the salt. So you're just going to set your dry ingredients aside. I added some milk also into my wet ingredients, okay? This milk is it's not evaporated milk, this is just fresh milk. And you're just going to mix it together. Like I said, this is the easiest muffin you ever make, or any sort of cake. I kid you not, because you're not mixing the sugar and the butter, you know all the deal. You just mix it with whatever, maybe a spoon or a spatula like I've done here. And now it's time to add the dry ingredients to your wet ingredient like I've done here. You're just going to mix it together. And when you're mixing this, it's going to look initially a bit lumpy because of the sourdough discard, but just keep mixing it. Don't mix it too much. By the time you mix it a few times, it will become smoother. And next, you're just going to add in your fresh blueberries. Add as much as you like or as little as you like, but please do not use frozen blueberries, okay? If you do that, if you use frozen blueberries, it will introduce more liquid into your mix, and you don't want that, and it's going to become soggy. So please use fresh blueberries. Next, I lined my tin with these muffin cases. I know that this batter that I've made is not a lot, so I just lined it with 6 cases, and hopefully if I need more, I'll be adding more. So this is what my batter looks like, and I started to scoop it in with my 1/4 cup, or just anything that you have. If you have any, maybe a batter dispenser, you can use that, or something with the nozzle. But this was a bit messy, but it's okay. It's not a big deal for me. So I went ahead to fill all the cases. At this time, I had preheated my oven, and this is what I have. And yep, there you have it again. My phone decided to ring again during a voiceover. Sorry, this happened a couple of weeks back also. So, but we're going to keep it going, okay? So you're just going to top it with a few more fresh blueberries if you so wish. Otherwise, whatever you've added in is already good enough. I'm going to be baking this in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 190 degrees, okay? You want to keep an eye on your muffins because your oven may be different to mine, and you just don't want to burn it or undercook it. Just keep an eye. If yours need a bit more time, give it the time that it needs. If it needs a little less time, let it be what it is, okay? So now this is what my muffin looks like, and I just could not wait. It is hot at this moment, but I'm like, oh my god, this turned out so beautiful and mouth-watering. But I cannot dig into it yet because it's just going to fall apart. It's going to crumble. It's still very hot, but I just could not wait. At this point, I was so impatient, okay? I just kept looking at my blueberry muffins, just admiring them. And what did I do? I went ahead to put on the fan, the AC, everything was on at this point because I just needed these muffins to cool down enough for me to just at least dig into one and give it a taste. And there you have it. It's still a bit warm, but at this point I don't care. I just do not care, okay? And this is what we have. Looks really nice and delicious, very soft and fluffy, and loaded with lots of fresh blueberries. And there you have it. This is what our muffin looks like. I hope you've enjoyed watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.